does go through restructuring. We are going to a general election in 2026, and all political parties that have not been to their elections processes into the General Assembly are required to, by law, to have elections. And so these appointments are appointments that are protected by the Constitution of UPND to begin with. And someone, I'm trying to be preemptive, someone may come and say, what does this mean for the General Assembly? The whole country, the whole party of UPND will have to have elections before the next election, just like all other political parties. We are not exempt to that. And so I wanted to allay fears that these restructurings that have started in Northwestern Province, like my SG has said, the Northern Province, the Luapula Province. I'm sure you are all aware that there was some changes that were made in Luapula Province, in Muchinga Province, and anywhere else where changes are due, we will make the changes. And so this is to just comfort our members in general that UPND has become a very large party with a number of political people coming to join, either in form of an alliance or in form of outright joining. And part of this process is to make sure that there's accommodation for everybody who brings value to the table when the time comes for us to fulfill the constitutional requirement of having a General Assembly. I want to thank my colleague, my brother and friend, Mr. Johabi Mutonga, for his disposition around his promotion. I'll call it the promotion. I want to thank him for his kind words to his own political parties. I want to thank him for his steadfastness and the commitment that he has put not only to himself, but to the UPND and also to the country, that the lucha continua. There is no stopping us now. We are now in a defense position. We have to defend our party into the next election because we are in the privileged position of being the ruling party, which means the party whose interests and aspirations of the country were deposited in our hands. And so for his strong word of commitment, I can only say thank you very much, Dada Wiza, Mwana Okwitu. The president himself, I'm sure, is extremely happy that we have reached this point. I am also quite certain that this consultation process, like Mr. Mutonga said, that if the province, the district, the constituencies have any challenges, he's available to give some advice. And I want to confirm that he is going to be a part of this consultative process that we are going in order to make sure that the province committee, the district committee for Petauke, which we are still coming to, are going to be firing in all cylinders. Secretary General, thank you very much, and I want to thank you, the media, for covering us and for making us be seen and heard from near and far. We are very grateful, and to say to our political party that unity is the principal word. If we are united against all adversity, we are going to survive and we are going to win the election if we soldier on as one unity. Thank you very much, SG.
Let me end up by giving advice to some of our members. It had been a trend which made the National Management Committee to come out with the resolutions regarding certain people who choose the social media to express